I use the Meijer app pretty regularly for shopping and digital coupons, but one day it just stopped loading. The screen stayed blank no matter what I did. If your Meijer app isn't working either, here's what helped me fix it quickly. First, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Go to the Google Play Store or App Store, search for Meijer, and see if an update button shows up. If it does, tap it and install the update. Outdated versions often have bugs that cause loading issues, errors at checkout, or missing coupons. Once the update is done, fully close the app and then reopen it. Most of the time, that's all it takes to get things running again. If the update didn't solve it, your next best step is to reach out to Meijer support team. Head to Meijer.com and scroll down to the bottom of the page. There's a Contact Us link with phone numbers and a form you can fill out. Make sure you mention your device type, what exactly the app is doing, and whether the issue started after an update. Their team is usually responsive and can reset or troubleshoot your account specifically. And that's how you can get the Meijer app working again without uninstalling or resetting your phone. If this video helped, give it a like, subscribe for more helpful fixes, and check the description for support links and updates. Thanks for watching.